Hi, my name is John Paul Jones, the Executive Director of the PSBTA, the Public Safety Broadband Technology Association. If you believe in interoperability, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, virtual reality, the Internet of Things, drone technology, streaming video, XGen 911, if you want to learn more, then you need to be at the PSBTA Vision Summit 2025. This September, the future of FirstNet comes alive. Meet leaders behind the FirstNet public-private partnership, the ones who have defined innovation. Meet leaders who, through FirstNet interoperability, have turned chaos into coordination, from the DC plane crash to the California wildfires and everything in between. See what unified command best practices look like now and what's next for interoperability and public safety. Register now for the PSBTA Vision Summit 2025. I hope to see you in Indianapolis. Don't miss out.